They believed that the cosmos was shaped by gods whose hands guided the fates of men and empires. They believed that the heavens held omens, stories, warnings. If they could see what Webb has revealed, they would not dismiss it as mere astrophysics. No, they would fall prostrate, believing the gods themselves were whispering again. They would claim the universe is restless, that it is speaking, and perhaps, in a way, they would not be wrong. For what is the universe but an ancient storyteller, spinning tales through photons older than worlds? What Webb has seen, and what Flamingo struggles to explain, is a tale of creation's wild youth, of forces that still pulse beneath the skin of reality. The galaxies Webb captured are not gentle spirals drifting in serenity. They are warriors, champions, relics forged in cosmic conflict. They are shaped by gravities so intense, by energies so raw, that even the titans of myth would hesitate before touching them. Picture an ancient cosmic forge, lit by quasars that burn with the fury of a million suns. Picture dark matter coiling and uncoiling like serpents older than the oldest myth. Picture galaxies crashing together with the soundless violence of worlds being born and destroyed in the same breath. This is the image Webb has shown us. And this is the truth Flamingo now grapples with, a truth that demands we redraw the very foundations of our cosmic knowledge. For if these galaxies form too quickly, too brightly, too massive, then what else about our physics is incomplete? What old assumptions crumble beneath the weight of this new revelation? The ancients, with their mythic imaginations, would not be surprised. Their stories were full of sudden births, divine battles, cosmic upheavals. Our modern stories, wrapped in equations and precision, sometimes forget that creation is chaos before it is order. And Webb has just reminded us. But let us wander deeper still, traveler. Let us walk among the ancient galaxies as though we are pilgrims in a forgotten temple. Here stands a cluster whose mass dwarfs anything we believe possible in such an early epoch. It glows like an ember dragged from the forge of the gods. Beside it, a smaller galaxy flares with the brightness of 1,000 supernovae, its youthful stars burning through their lifespans in mere cosmic moments. Beyond them, vast tendrils of dark matter stretch across the void like the strands of an ancient loom. This is the universe's first tapestry, raw and unfiltered. Every knot, every thread, every glowing stitch contradicts our predictions. Flamingo's carefully crafted maps show one pattern, Webb reveals another, older, wilder, truer. And so the scholars of today find themselves unexpectedly aligned with the mystics of long ago, forced to admit that the universe holds secrets we are only beginning to glimpse. Consider now a story told in a forgotten desert temple, the tale of the first fire, a cosmic flame ignited by a deity whose name is erased by time. The first fire was said to burn both dark and bright, weaving stars from its smoke and shaping worlds from its ashes. The new Webb image, with its luminous galaxies wrapped in dark matter, looks uncannily like that myth made manifest. The ancients would see in it the fingerprint of a cosmic artisan. We see instead a puzzle, but one no less awe-inspiring. And what of physics? What of the laws we cling to? Those confident proclamations about how galaxies should form and evolve. Webb's deep field mocks our certainty. Flamingo's predictions tremble under the weight of new evidence. It is as though the cosmos itself smirks at our arrogance. Our equations were always approximations, guesses wrapped in the illusion of precision. The universe, ancient and untamed, cares nothing for our boundaries. It expands, it evolves, it surprises, just as it did in the myths of old. And yet, there is beauty in this disruption. For every time the universe shatters our understanding, it invites us deeper into its mysteries. It beckons us like an old storyteller saying, "Come closer, child. You have not yet heard the best part." So we step closer. We refine our models. We rewrite our theories. We peer into the cosmic dawn with new questions. Why were the first galaxies so massive? Why did stars ignite so furiously? Why does the fabric of dark matter ripple differently than predicted? And perhaps most unsettling, what ancient forces, cosmic or otherwise, sculpted the universe in ways our physics still cannot explain? The ancients would answer quickly, gods, spirits, titans. We answer more slowly, unknown mechanisms, exotic interactions, early universe conditions beyond current comprehension. But in truth, Both answers stem from awe, and awe is where understanding begins. As Webb continues to carve new windows into the past, and as simulations like FLAMINGO struggle to keep pace, we find ourselves standing on the edge of a precipice, the same precipice where our ancestors once stood, gazing up at constellations and crafting myths to explain them. The cosmos is not merely a place, it is a